Jai Guruji everyone. Here I am going to read my sixth satsang from the book Light of Divinity. This satsang belongs to Mrs. Anu Munjal Aunty. The heading goes, For my most dear and sweet Guruji. Munjal Aunty thanked her stars for the day Guruji came into her life. Her life has been transformed and it seems all her worries have finally bid her goodbye. That is because Guruji is divine. He is almighty. Munjal Aunty had come to Guruji in November of 2005 after a friend had told her about him. She had come laden with the problems, monetary issues, family disturbances, and niggling anxieties and tensions. Nothing seemed to be in place. She had no mental peace. She began going to Guruji. One day Guruji talked to Aunty and it made her day. 2 months after, she had first Guruji's darshan. Her father had to be immediately hospitalized. He had pneumonia and he had to be put on a ventilator. The doctors told him that he had only 10% chances of survival. Munjal Aunty went to Guruji's mandir and silently prayed to him. In a vision, she saw that Guruji had gone with her to the hospital, taken her father off the ventilator and cured and blessed him. Soon with Guruji's permission, she told Guruji about her father's ailment. The next day when they went to the hospital, Munjal Aunty was amazed to find her father all right. His support system had been removed. Guruji had saved her father and given him a new life. She began experiencing Guruji's miracle very often after this incident. She found out soon enough that he is omnipresent and takes care of your problems. Her husband is a case in point. His financial deals were stuck and they were facing an economic crunch. Yet the deal got sorted out on their own and the money worries were soon over. The health of her daughter too was a source of worry for her. She had a recurrent and troublesome urinary tract infection. Guruji blessed her with a copper tumbler. She drank water from it and soon was well. Munjal Aunty too had such an extreme pain in her knees that she had difficulty in climbing the stairs. By his divine grace, this pain too vanished. Munjal Aunty's sister-in-law too partook of his grace. She was living in the UK with her husband, but due to some problems with her in-laws, she had been in a conflict with her husband and had left his house and come to India. She had made up her mind to divorce him. Guruji's blessings staved off that disastrous turn of events and marital harmony was restored. In fact, Guruji called her auntie's sister-in-law name the very first time she met him, an instance of how divinity in him reaches out to us with a miraculous love. In a similar manner, Guruji also answers our deep-seated queries and can read our thoughts. After Guruji came into their lives, everything got streamlined. It is due to their good karmas that Guruji had come into their life. They always feel his shield around them. Guruji defends us from unseen calamities. There are so many matters that get sorted out thanks to him. The external disturbances caused by the external agents are eliminated on their own. More so, the persona, outlook and the attitude she had undergone a complete change. Munjal Aunty was fully at peace after Guruji entered her life. They thank Guruji with all their heart and soul for being there for all of them, for being so benevolent and for his presence. They thank him again and again as the life without him cannot be possible. The small lives are insignificant without him. He is beyond comparison. Guruji is a human manifestation of God. He came into this world for our kalyan, our highest benefit. Thank you for listening. Jai Guruji, Shukrana Guruji. Love you Guruji.